the shirts I have, all the shirts I have, all the Nintendo, all the Marvel, all the Star Wars, all the DC. I don't have a Kingdom Hearts shirt. I don't have a Disney shirt. Ain't no Mickey in my house, man. I'm so mad. I'm gonna go in somebody's house, open the door, and steal their stuff, and then I'll wear their shirt. I'm stupid. Let's start the show. Lamarr Wilson. How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video. Still battling this code, but we gonna do this today. Remember when I unboxed this last year? Got this from PDP. PDP, yeah, you know me. No one knows that reference. Okay, anyway, yeah, this is styrofoam right here, but it's still cool. I still need to hang it up somewhere. It's sitting in my front room, but it's cool. It is today's the day. I'm so excited. Speaking of PDP, let's just get this out the way. This is for Xbox One and Windows. This is the wired controller. I don't have time. Hurry up. Sorry, it's just like, I'm so excited today. Like after this video, y'all ain't gonna see me for 3.5 months because I'm just gonna be playing Kingdom Hearts, but I was playing why? Because I ain't played it before. Okay, anyway, that looks nice. Okay, first of all, that, wow. And you got the cord. I mean, I like wireless, but this is still nice. PDP, thank you. Yeah, you know me. And I put the key over there so y'all can stare at it if you don't want to look at all this. I don't blame you. Anyway, back in June, this was around E3 time. They did a pre-order of this Kingdom Hearts 3 Collector's Edition. I don't even know what's in it. I just know I ordered it and I forgot about it. And then like last night, I get an email that says, hey, your $300 package is coming in. I'm like, did y'all charge my card? I forgot. So yeah, I guess, I did not grow up with this. This is not my childhood. I'm a new person to Kingdom Hearts. Okay, so, okay, you know what? oh, Lord. Oh, yes, oh, yeah. Sorry, neighbors. Oh, I'm sorry. Somebody getting shot over here. You better call 911. Maybe 912. Because this is a big emergency. Sorry. Okay, so, ooh. Okay, let me, now here's the other thing. Get out of here. Before y'all clown me and say, why did you get the Xbox One version? There's a really simple reason. Because I wanted to! Xbox One Deluxe Edition right there. Here too, so yeah, we got 2 things to open. Let's get started. Oh, okay. So, is there anything else? Oh, see, I'm glad I looked. There was, y'all trying to hide. Y'all hoping people throw this away and then they don't get their pen. You know I like pens. I do them Loot Crate videos. You know, Kingdom Hearts pen right there. You better stop. Shoot. But I did get an email from them like 20 minutes ago. And I'm gonna read it to you. We apologize for this inconvenience, but we accidentally did not include the bonus Kingdom Hearts gift sticker set in your order. We will be mailing out you the sticker set, sir. I wouldn't have even known. Like somebody's FaceTiming me without permission. Sorry, Apple. All right. So the first thing is the steel book case, which is, hello? That says Kingdom Hearts 3. I don't know if you can see that, but you know what it says. And yep, that's what the steel case looks like. Open it up. Where's my game? It's right here. But like, yeah, the game is not in there. Just for the sake of, because it is a steel book. Why they just didn't put it in here, I don't know. World of Final Fantasy Maxima, available now. I don't know, what is that? Is that some kind of mini game? Okay, so that's a thing, and that's a thing. And if you want to see the cover of the game, the final cover art, or at least on the Xbox, they might have different variants. I don't know. It's been so much happening because I don't just do games. I do so many other things. This being a variety channel, so I wasn't keeping up on all the news. So I don't know if there are variants or not, but if there are variant covers, that is like really cool if they do. But this one looks nice. Can I put this cover here? Like, I'd rather have this one than the steel. At least they give me options. Okay, so this is some kind of book. And, oh, that's a nice picture in the back. Message from the director, I ain't got time to read that. So like, if you're a newbie like me, but I've been watching so many streams, I know the characters, but you have Sora, he carries the Keyblade, Goofy, Donald, quack. I can't let me show you all those. So let's go. So it tells you about the characters. This will be good for me. Sally, oh my God. Also, we got some toys. So this is Kingdom Hearts 3, Sora and Donald Duck and Goofy Toy Story version. If you look right there on the back, you have a look-see right there. Oh boy, why, y'all? Okay, wait. Okay, I thought I had to put some stuff in. Oh boy, that scared me. Had Sora's head like by itself. Okay, so I will See, this is that hard plastic that will tear your fingers up. Oh, okay. How much I paid for this? $300. Okay, wait, for $3, I got the game. Is it deluxe edition? Does it come with all the DLC? Is that what? Okay, so I'm trying to see what I got. So I got probably just the game, and then I got that book, and this pen. I'm trying to. Okay, these toys cost $100, $200 something. Did I get ripped? I'm just trying to see where is the value here, because these toys are well, they are. It does say Toy Story, doesn't it? So yeah, it's very toy, because I was like, this is very Toy Story like. So this, let me get my face out the way. This is one of the toys, and you can see it's very Toy Story. Yeah, and so let me just give you the close up, because this is gonna fall if I do it any other way. So he has a shield, and he has different hands that I can put on him. You have Goofy right here. Again, very Toy Story like. I'm not really feeling these toys though. It's just like a zombie. And Donald does look good. Like, they look good. It's just, I don't know what I was expecting. Well, I wasn't expecting anything because I forgot I ordered it. But I guess when I got up here, I was like, what am I expecting? So you got the different. So okay, can you stand? Cause you got some big feet, dude. I'm just telling you. You know what they say about big feet. How old are you? Are you of age? Sheriff. Okay, and the hat. Okay, I get it. Like Woody. So, all right. I see there's a theme here, and so, okay. Okay, and you got more stuff over here. Okay, so you have different hearts. You can stick it in, and okay. I'm sure this is some reference to the game. Again, you know, I'm new. I guess I'm not sure what this is. Them stickers better be worth about $100. I'm trying to figure out if the game is $65, right? I'm just saying with tax and everything, right? $65. This book is what? Okay, let's just say 20. It's probably worth 20. 65, 85. Okay. And then we got a whole nother $215. I feel like this should be like $20 at the store. I mean, am I forgetting something? Is something else in the box? Is there any? No. You mean to tell me you $200? And then the game was $65, and then with the shipping and everything and the taxes, it came out to $300. Are you serious? Okay, let's see here. So, if I had bought just the deluxe edition, which is this, it's $79.99. Comes with steel book, art case, art book, collectible pen, and we already did. That was the first box we opened, right? Then it jumps to $2.99, which is what I paid, and that comes with the same items as the deluxe edition, but also 3 figures of Sora, Donald, and Goofy, which feature the trio in their outfits from the new Toy Story World Monstropolis. So this thing is worth $220. I'm not buying it. Well, I bought it. So if you haven't got the deluxe set yet and you were thinking about it, I mean, you must really gotta love Kingdom Hearts. I mean, you've been waiting 16 years, and fine. I got you, I understand. But this is nice. I would have paid $80 for this. I like the book, and I like the steel case, and I love the art here. Not feeling them toys. Okay. I'm normally super positive, and I don't get into this negative. I'm not trying to be negative, but I'm just like, dang. Let me know what y'all think. Like, am I overreacting here, or am I being legit? I'm just like, help me out, because I've been doing this 10 years, so I think I kind of know, but maybe I'm not seeing something that you all see here. They essentially just charged $200 for some Walmart toys that I feel like I could have gone to Walmart and gotten for like $20. You know what I'm saying? Help me out. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.